Imagine a world where generative AI transforms not just how we work, but the very nature of productivity in our day-to-day lives. Today, we're discussing how AI is revolutionizing marketing, from crafting hyper-personalized experiences for consumers to driving strategic decisions with data. But with this incredible potential comes a serious question. Will AI really help us work less, or are we just heading for more content overload? Let's explore how marketers, and all of us, can navigate this productivity revolution without losing the creative spark that sets us apart. Welcome to the next big shift in the world of work. Let's begin by stepping back in time. Imagine it's 30 years ago, and the first word processors and spreadsheets are about to hit the market. The entire economic landscape is braced for what many believe will be the next big productivity revolution. The promise at that time was that tasks like writing, creating presentations, and calculating numbers would become so much easier and faster. Fast forward 30 years, and one might question whether that promise has been fully realized. In some ways, it has, but perhaps not in the anticipated fashion. Today, instead of working less, people are often just producing longer documents, more extensive presentations, and delving into increasingly complex decision-making due to an explosion of data that needs processing. This shift underscores the relevance of today's conversation about generative AI. It's here, it's being embedded into the core of organizations, and it's positioned to be the next transformative productivity tool. The critical question now is, how can businesses and professionals harness this productivity potential? In marketing, a field that has always been heavily impacted by technological shifts, the potential impact of AI is particularly noteworthy. Marketing is often cited as one of the top functions affected by AI, with studies suggesting productivity gains could reach up to 50%. For professionals across all functions, but especially marketing, maximizing this opportunity is becoming crucial. Traditionally, marketing has been a highly right-brain-driven field, with a focus on creativity and emotional connection. This emphasis on the right brain has allowed marketers to identify consumer needs, craft innovative products, and create messaging that resonates at the right place and time. However, in recent years, the digital and analytics revolution has broadened marketing to include specialized skill sets, such as digital marketing and marketing technology. Now, with generative AI, marketing is undergoing a deeper transformation, reshaping core activities. A recent study conducted by Boston Consulting Group in collaboration with Harvard showed that ChatGPT, even in its current form, already enhances marketers' creative, right-brain functions by 40%. And this number could increase substantially in the near future. So what would marketers do with a day and a half of additional time each week? Spend more time on leisure, or will organizations expect them to use that time for work? It seems unlikely that companies would simply allow extra time off, nor would they reduce marketing teams. Instead, the added capacity will likely go toward what marketers do best, generating even more content and ideas. The positive side of this development is that increased content creation can greatly benefit consumers. Imagine receiving emails from a favorite brand that are entirely customized, images featuring people similar in age and interests, products aligned with personal preferences, and a seamless conversational experience powered by AI. That's a productivity gain that enriches the customer experience. However, there's also a risk: content overload. Many people already feel bombarded by repeated ads and messages across digital platforms. Now, imagine this content surge multiplying, becoming ubiquitous, and, worse, sounding identical. This risk stems from how generative AI is trained on existing content and data, which can reduce variation and creativity in outcomes. If this great equalization of marketing becomes pervasive, it may dilute the uniqueness that defines brands. The solution to this challenge lies in developing a left AI brain across affected functions, including marketing, while preserving top right brain creative talent. What does growing a left AI brain mean? It involves strategically reskilling and restructuring teams to bring in individuals skilled in building, using, and distributing AI-driven tools. This left brain focus means embedding AI into decision-making to enhance productivity without losing the creativity that sets brands apart. Consider marketing teams equipped with data scientists and data engineers, creating AI tools that all marketers can use to gauge performance and predict outcomes. Imagine understanding which creative audience pairings are most effective, identifying which products resonate with specific consumers, or gaining real-time insights into evolving marketing funnels. For example, one consumer goods company recently embraced a left AI brain strategy, building and disseminating tools that allowed every marketer to predict sales results for initiatives and understand how consumer behavior might shift across channels and touchpoints. This transformation created a valuable feedback loop, continuously refining marketing efforts. Building a team of over 30 left AI brain marketers to develop and tailor these tools is only part of the solution. Too often, organizations embarking on this AI journey rely solely on their existing data and content. However, limiting AI training to current data risks boxing a brand into its existing market territory. For example, a brand that performs well with millennials may find that existing millennial data provides little help in reaching Gen Z consumers. Without success in appealing to new audiences, the brand risks missing out on trends that could even strengthen its appeal among current customers. The takeaway is clear. Organizations must think outside the box and explore partnerships with external entities that may offer valuable insights. Imagine a construction company looking to market to architects for the first time, but lacking relevant data. Instead of relying on competitors, the company could partner with financial or insurance companies who may have relevant architect-related insights. Setting up federated data models with such partners can open new avenues for reaching new customer segments. Even with the best AI-driven tools and data partnerships, a left AI brain advantage alone isn't enough. Over-relying on generative AI risks surrendering creative control to algorithms, potentially stifling originality and brand identity. The Harvard study with Boston Consulting Group found that when teams overly depend on generative AI, collective divergence in ideas drops by 40%, hampering innovation and limiting the emergence of unique ideas. So, how can organizations address this challenge? By identifying and nurturing the true artists and creative innovators in their teams. These are often the people who challenge the status quo and inspire unique perspectives. By strategically upskilling these individuals to leverage AI for inspiration, trend analysis, and rapid prototyping, companies can amplify creative impact without compromising on originality. But the actual ideation process should still stem from human creativity, not from AI. This balance preserves brand identity and distinctiveness in the marketplace. To close, here's an essential piece of advice for all marketers and business professionals. Identify personal strengths. Are you a creative visionary? Then focus on honing that skill. It will be your superpower. Or perhaps you're more analytical, data-driven, and fact-based. In that case, consider specializing in predictive AI and developing strong technical skills. Today, everyone working in marketing, and in many other fields, faces a choice about which brain to cultivate, the right brain creativity or the left AI brain's data-driven insight. Thank you for considering this critical pivot point in marketing and productivity. If you're looking for more in-depth resources and strategies to grow your business, be sure to visit www.judifmarketing.com. We're at a crossroads where the choice to embrace AI is not just about adopting new technology, but about redefining our roles and responsibilities in the age of automation. For marketers, the challenge lies in balancing data-driven efficiency with the artistry of genuine creativity. So, if you're in marketing or any field facing an AI transformation, ask yourself, which brain will I develop? The right brain for creativity or the left brain for analytics? Thank you for joining me today as we uncover the future of marketing in an AI-driven world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on how you think AI will impact your work.